Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna solve question number 7, paper 11, November 19. We have a function f of x, where is f of x equal 3 over 2x plus 1, where is x more than 0, and another function g of x is equal 1 over x plus 2. Where is domain of each are given? Find the range of f and the range of g. Before we start to explain the range of the reciprocal function, recognize the graph of 1 over x. The graph of 1 over x, where is the asymptotic lines is x-axis and y-axis, and the reflection point is 0, 0. This point 0, 0, and the graph of the function will be like this. In general, domain of this function, domain is R, all the real number, whereas x is not equal to 0, and the range is all the real number, whereas y is not equal to 0. This point is called reflection point. What will happen for the graph of the function gx and f of x by using transformation? If we start with the function f of x, this function, I will write it like this, 3 over, if you take 2 outside, will be x plus half. So this function translated by a vector negative half and 0. If we change x to be x plus half, so the graph of this function translated to the right side, sorry, to the left side, I will show the graph of this function. The reflection point shifted to be half and 0, negative half and 0, this point. This means we'll take the y-axis and shift it to this point, and the graph will be like this. This is negative half. But it's written the domain of function is x more than 0. So I will start only from 0. So I will start from this point and sketch only this part. Whereas x-axis is asymptotic lines. So now this is the graph of the function. When x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 3. This is why each time when you ask me to find the range, so please sketch the graph of this function. This function, if you substitute by 0 will be 3, then the function decrease, but didn't intersect the x-axis. So now what is the range? The range is more than 0 and less than 3. It's written here equal, it's not written. So don't try to write equal at 0 or at 3. This is the range of the first function, f of x. This is the range of f of x. By the same way for the function g, 1 over x, but shifted to up 2 units, plus 2. So the graph of the second function, if we try to sketch it, the graph of the function will be like this. The reflection point, this is 1 over x, but add 2 means we'll move up 2 units. So we'll shift only x-axis. So the same, the graph will be like this. But it's given the domain x more than 0. X more than 0, this part only. So now, what is the range? The range of this function, it's clear that y more than 2. This is the range of the first function, and this is the range of the second one. Part 2, he asked to get f gx, giving your answer in the form of ax plus or ax over bx plus c. how to get f gx, substitute g and f. So this is g, we'll remove x and write it g, will be 3 over 2 g of x plus 1. 3 divided by 2, then instead of x, write it g of x, 1 over x plus 2, 1 over x plus 2, then plus 1, plus 2. 3 plus 1, done, plus 1. You can now simplify your answer, will be 3 divided by 2 over x plus 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. You can simplify 3 divided by 2 over x plus 5. Then multiplied by x will be 3x. Multiplied by x, up and down. You can multiply up x and x. So will be 2 multiplied by x will be 5x. This is why it's written, write your answer in this form, will be 3x divided by 5x plus 2. This is part 2. Part 3, find an expression for g inverse. Give your answer in the same form. If we start now from y is equal to 3x divided by 5x plus 2, change y to bx, change x to by, 3y divided by 5y plus 2, cross multiplication. So x times 5y plus 2 is equal to 3y. Expand 5xy plus 2x equals 3y. You can get y as a subject. 5xy minus 3y is equal to 2x. It's negative. By taking y outside will be 5x minus 3 is equal to negative 2x. So y as a subject will be negative 2x all divided by 5x minus 3. So now this is fgx written in the form. Fg inverse will be negative 2x all divided by 5x minus 3. This is part 3. That's it. Thank you.